So I just found out they're adding a CUDA backend to MLX. I mean, that could really amp up the performance, right?
Wait, CUDA? That's the framework for parallel computation, right? That's huge for machine learning tasks.
Exactly. It's like taking a basic car and suddenly giving it a turbocharger. You're getting way more power for the same input.
Oh wow, I love that analogy. So this means faster processing and potentially lower costs for running complex models?
Right? But get this. They're just starting with the tutorial example right now, so it's in its infancy.
That's kind of exciting, though. It means they're just scratching the surface of what could be possible.
And I'm thinking, what if this turns into a whole ecosystem of CUDA-compatible solutions for ML?
Wow, the implications could be massive. Imagine deploying a model in real time that can learn and adapt at lightning speed.
Hold on, that changes everything. We're talking self-optimizing algorithms at our fingertips.
Exactly, but it also raises questions about resource management. More power means more energy use, potentially.
That's a good point. I mean, can we really handle the environmental impact of running all these intense computations?
Totally. It's like the trade-off between efficiency and sustainability. Balancing act, anyone?
Right. And speaking of trade-offs, have you considered how this could democratize access to high-performance ML?
Whoa, yeah. With CUDA, even smaller companies might start competing with the big players.
That gives me chills. The possibility of innovation skyrockets with more players in the field.
And let's not forget how that could ignite a wave of creativity in solving real-world problems.
Oh man, imagine local businesses harnessing this tech to tackle community issues. That's powerful.
It really is, but I'm also curious about the steep learning curve involved. Will everyone adapt?
That's true. It could barrier, though the community often rallies to fill gaps like that.
Exactly. Look at the open source movement. If enough enthusiasts are behind it, it could flourish.
True, there's this magic that happens when a community collaborates. It's inspiring.
And it's also fascinating how these developments in tech can shift entire industries.
Speaking of industries, I wonder how traditional fields like healthcare or agriculture will adapt.
Oh, that could revolutionize data processing and diagnostics and crop management. Crazy potential.
But here's a thought. Will they have the infrastructure to implement such tech effectively?
That's a critical point. Upscaling infrastructure could be a hurdle, especially for developing regions.
So it's like we're in this double-edged sword situation. Progress must be mindful, right?
Right, and collaboration becomes key. Can established companies partner with smaller ones?
Oh wow, that could create a network of mentorship and resources that benefits everyone.
Exactly. And if we think about it broadly, this kind of synergy is pivotal for innovation.
And here's where it gets wild. Could this lead to more ethical practices as companies look for trust?
That's a game changer. If ethical tech becomes a competitive advantage, we could see big shifts.
Whoa, my mind is racing. So we're looking at not just speed in computation, but also in ethical standards.
You're right. It's like a renaissance moment for tech. We have a chance to redefine norms.
That's fascinating to think about. It's not just about tech itself, but how it influences society.
Totally. That interplay could lead to groundbreaking awareness on multiple fronts.
This is blowing my mind. Think about the lessons of accountability we could learn through this.
Yeah. I mean, if we approach this right, we might actually improve global collaboration.
And it circles back to CUDA enabling that tech. We're really at the start of something transformative.
Absolutely. So what's our takeaway? The future seems exciting yet challenging, right?
For sure, stirring up curiosity while keeping ethical considerations at the forefront is vital.
Exactly. And the conversation has just begun. Imagine what else we'll uncover as it develops.
Right? This is just the tip of the iceberg. It'll be exciting to see how it all unfolds.
Can't wait. Every new development feels like a chance to reshape our tech landscape.